Today we want to present you a strategy how to multiply your crypto earnings by staking on the decentralized platform PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange for swapping tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. The decentralized exchange has also its own cryptocurrency called Cake. If you are a Cake holder, you can stake your tokens in the Cake pool and collect Cake rewards. You can currently earn over 120% APY by staking your Cake in the Cake pool and lock it up for a period you would like. PancakeSwap is the second biggest decentralized exchange in terms of volume after Uniswap. The Cake token is down 90% of its all-time high, which is mainly the result of the overall bearish market sentiment. However, we believe that if the crypto market recovers, Cake will also retouch its all-time high. What this means for you is that if you invest a certain amount of money into the Cake crypto and stake it in their liquidity pool, you not only profit from the price appreciation once the whole crypto market recovers, but you will also double your Cake amount each year. Let's say you invest $1,000 into Cake at the current price $4.70. You will get 212 Cake tokens. If Cake goes up to its previous all-time high, your 212 Cake will be worth $8,210. And if you staked your Cake in the liquidity pool on PancakeSwap, you will get an additional 250 Cake tokens, which in total would be worth $20,466 if the Cake reaches its previous all-time high.